Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of the 31st of July, 2024, our system has identified NIO as a strong sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 5.17. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 8.56%. This equates to an average loss of 4.28% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The trend observed over the past 3 months points to a potential decrease of approximately 23% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from a decline of 27.1% to a decrease of 8.3%. Looking at the trend over the past 12 months, it suggests a decrease of around 63.93% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between a decline of 84.91% and a decrease of 62.76%. This implies a price range from 0.613 to 1.51 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NIO highlights significant volatility in the stock price on Thursday, which concluded trading at $4.06. The NIO stock price experienced a decline of 8.56% on the last trading day, from $4.44 to $4.06. Throughout the trading session, the stock fluctuated by 11.53%, with a low of $3.99 and a high of $4.45. The price has decreased in 6 out of the last 10 days, showing a drop of 10.57% during this period. Additionally, trading volume rose by 53 million shares on the last day, although this was accompanied by declining prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 86 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $349,047,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $16.18, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price stands at 74.91%, or $12.12, below the 52-week high, and 93.94%, or $62.93, below the all-time high recorded on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO's stock is currently facing pressure, primarily due to a mix of factors that are affecting investor sentiment. Despite a year-on-year increase in electric vehicle deliveries approaching 44%, NIO has recorded only a modest rise in deliveries for July, totaling 20,498 vehicles, showing just a slight improvement from the previous year. This stagnation raises concerns about the company's capability to increase production volumes quickly enough to reach profitability. Additionally, recent news indicates that the Chinese government will not implement further stimulus measures for the latter half of 2024, which adds to the negative sentiment surrounding Chinese electric vehicle stocks, including NIO. The broader economic challenges in China continue to create uncertainty in the electric vehicle market, which is already impacted by a prolonged decline in the CSI 300 index. Short-term reactions to these developments suggest increased volatility in NIO's stock price as investors reevaluate growth expectations. The longer-term implications largely depend on NIO's strategic initiatives, including the anticipated launch of the Onvo L60 scheduled for September, which could generate consumer interest and boost sales. However, without significant growth in volume and favorable economic conditions, NIO's stock may continue to encounter substantial challenges. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 5th of July, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. On Saturday, the 8th of June, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned NIO an underweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, it was reported that Mizuho Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned NIO a market perform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NIO stock displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $4.33 and $4.48. A breakout above either of these thresholds would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued following a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 16th of July, 2024, resulting in a decline of 17.14% thus far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, necessitating closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 216 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions worsen, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically shows average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 460 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which is an increase of 11.53%. In the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 5.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios might suggest inadequate profitability and could signal bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 3rd of September, 2024. Analysts are projecting consensus estimates at negative $460,000. It is important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.44. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume beneath this level, indicating that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently there is no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a worthwhile investment? NIO presents several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we have adopted a pessimistic view of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a sell to a strong sell. Upon evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of August, we expect NIO to open at approximately 107 thousandths of a dollar and commence trading at $4.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.